Not every startup becomes a success story. Some raise crores, expand rapidly, and still fail. Even recently, startups like BlueSmart have struggled despite strong backing. So, what really goes wrong? And let's look at five failed startups in India and the lessons behind their downfall. India's startup ecosystem is growing fast, but behind every success story, there are multiple failures, and these failures often teach the most valuable lessons. BlueSmart started as an electric cab service competing with Ola and Uber. It positioned itself as a premium, eco friendly alternative with zero cancellation. The idea was strong and the demand was growing, but the company faced challenges in scaling operations and managing costs. Running an EV fleet requires heavy investment in vehicles and charging infrastructure. As funding slowed and the costs increased, sustaining the business became difficult. BlueSmart's struggles highlight how capital intensive models can be risky. Azila focused on budget hotel bookings across India. It grew rapidly and had thousands of listed properties. But in financial issues and the investor disputes created serious problems. The company eventually shut down in 2017. This shows how internal conflicts and funding issues can destroy a startup. Tiny Owl was one of the early food delivery startups. Before Swiggy and Zomato dominated, Tiny Owl was already active in multiple cities. But the business suffered from high delivery cost, poor unit economics, intense competition, and eventually it could not survive. A strong idea is not enough if the business model is not sustainable. Doodhwala started as a milk delivery startup. It quickly expanded into groceries and daily essentials, but the company grew too fast without strong financial plan. Cash flow issues started building up and eventually the company had to shut down. This highlights the danger of over expansion without control. AskMe was a popular online search and local listing platform. It competed with companies like Justile. At its peak, it had strong brand recognition, but due to funding issues and internal mismanagement, the company collapsed. Thousands of employees were affected. And a reminder that even large platforms can fail without strong leadership and stability. If you look closely, most failures have common reasons: overexpansion, poor financial planning, high operational costs, intense competition. Startups don't fail because of one mistake, they fail because of multiple small mistakes over time. Startup failures are not just stories of loss, they are lessons for future entrepreneurs. Because understanding failure is the first step towards building success. And these are the five failed startups in India. If you enjoy learning about startups, business stories, and real lessons, subscribe to our channel because every company has a journey and every journey has a growth story.